we're starting to get some of that rain that's going to help out.
Right, yeah, and even down in South Florida, of course, where all those Everglades fires have been burning too in Broward County. So hopefully they'll get a little bit of relief as well, because I know that's been a tricky one to battle for them. So more rain on the way, and unfortunately even higher rain chances for this upcoming weekend. So what I'm going to take you through here is our moisture content. The meteorological term for it is precipitable water, but what it means is it's the moisture in the atmosphere. The higher the number, which is on the top corner of your screen over there, the higher our moisture, the higher the humidity, and most of the time, the higher our rain chances. We have this strong ridge of high pressure that's to our north right now. This has been cooking parts of the lower 48. We have heat advisories, excessive heat warnings scattered all throughout parts of the Mississippi River Valley up into the Midwest. Now that is going to kind of stay to our north for the next about 24 to 48 hours. And take a look at this. Our wind will shift a little northerly tomorrow. That could usher in some drier air along parts of North Florida and up into the Nature Coast. So a lot of the rain is going to stay from Tampa and areas south today and tomorrow. But over the weekend, really starting Friday, that ridge of high pressure will start to shift out of the Atlantic. Our wind will come more southerly, which means higher moisture content. Notice how that number goes above 2 inches. And when that's the case, you usually do have a pretty unsettled pattern. And that's going to be the case all the way through the upcoming weekend, which I'll take you through here shortly. Satellite and radar will show you a quiet start. All the rain is over on the Atlantic coast. That will march our way here the next several hours. The sun's starting to come up above the horizon. We already have a few boaters out on the water. Good boating conditions today, by the way, if you're heading out. I know scalloping season opens along the Nature Coast, an exciting time. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, so we're not in the 80s this morning, a little cooler. 75 in Tampa, 79 in St. Pete, 75 in Sarasota, 71 in Wesley Chapel, 74 in Winter Haven, 72 up in Crystal River. I'm going to take you through Futurecast here, and I want to note this is one of our drier models, but it is doing well with what's happening out there right now, so I'm going to trust this. But around 10:30, we're still dry. I think after 1 o'clock, we'll watch for a few isolated showers in eastern Polk County, maybe into Highlands County, and then storms continue to march towards the coast after 4 o'clock. Now, here's the thing. This model thinks a lot of the heavy rain is south of town. I think from Tampa and areas south, we'll have the possibility for some heavier downpours for that commute home tonight. And then we could have some lingering heavy rain anywhere from Pinellas County down into Sarasota County, even past sunset tonight. Expected rainfall Thursday, most of the rain stays south as well. Remember, some of that drier air is going to move in along the Nature Coast. But then on Friday, as our wind starts to shift out of the south, that means more widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, and we will hold on to that pattern into 4th of July weekend. 60% coverage of showers and storms Saturday and Sunday. Here's the thing. I think showers are going to develop along the coast first and then push inland in the afternoon and evening. So first half of the day, if you have beach or boating plans, you're going to need to be dodging storms. But for firework plans, if you are along the coast, it looks better, unfortunately, than areas inland. Light chop on the bay sees at about a foot for that marine forecast today. 7-day shows highs in the 90s all 7 day long with those increasing rain chances for this upcoming weekend.